Today, we're going to be talking about the Oculus Link. So last week I did a video comparing the Quest to the Cosmo. Well, also quite recently was the Oculus Connect conference.
We are opening up Oculus Link as a beta to all of our Quest users.
So the link may not be out, but we can still talk about it. Because in my last video, I said I can play all my games on the Cosmo. We don't have a lot of games in the Oculus store, but thanks to the link, you can actually play any game you want. Well, the link is basically just a free update that lets you play your Rift library, your Steam VR library. So basically, any game you can play with the Cosmo or any other VR headset, you can now play with the Quest. Well, starting in November, you don't have to buy anything. If you already have a Quest, the Quest came with a cable, and this cable works. Any USB-C cable will work with the Quest. And so, theoretically, you should be able to do some VR development with this, which will be really handy, because right now we're using the Rift to do some development, and you gotta have sensors. This one doesn't have any sensors, so we can just pop this one on and be right in our experiences we're making. Maybe one day we'll talk about those. So now you can play your entire Steam library, your Rift library, any VR library you have. Maybe you want to play HoloLens. You can't do that. That's augmented reality. And look at that price tag. So if you have a Quest, wait for that update in November. And if you can't wait, you can always just download SideQuest and play some other VR games that are available on the Quest store. But that's all. That's it. I just wanted to talk about that since I said in my last video that you couldn't do that. Well, you can next month, November. Watch out for it. But that's it. So this has been the Holler Studio. I'm Adrian, and we'll holler at you later. I don't have hand tracking yet.